I'm pretty much going to do the same thing as whiskers, but I'm going to keep it a little lower and also make an emphasis on the outer corner to create some depth. Now for the showstopper, I'm going to use this shade right here, which is called Tiger Eye. You guys, this shade, it is a true gold, and it is stunning. Are you ready for this? Wow. Almost done with the look. Now I'm going to take one more time that shade Claude, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. And don't forget to connect it right here so you don't have a weird gap going on. I'm taking the colored stripes, which is the black shade, and I'm just going to apply that on my lower lash line and also upper lash line, since I'm not using any falsies, so I can make my eye look bigger. Finish up the eyes, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead with this beautiful shade right here in the corner. It's called Roar. I know, how cute is that name? And I'm going to, wow, brighten up my inner corner and my future with the shade Wow. Keeping everything else pretty simple, as I want the main focus to be my eyes. And to complete the look, I'm using this gloss also from Share Planet. In case you didn't know, they have matching glosses for each collection, and this one is called Big Cat.
Setting spray by Seattle, London.
Happy 1st of July. In case you have not seen it yet, we just posted on our feed the very first sneak peek for our base box this month. All active base members will be getting either one of these. I'm going to start showing you the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This one has watermelon, green tea, and also pineapple in it, and it's going to help brighten up your complexion. The second option I have here is the NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster by 111 Skin. This is actually a very interesting product, as it safeguards your skin and protects it from daily damages that we are exposed to, so that's pretty cool. And the option I have here is the Babe Lash Essential Serum. This is going to give you more luscious and longer looking lashes.
This is base marks, guys. Oh, what happened to the light? Video here. People are gonna say, what the hell from lights? So you have over here moisturizer by Glam Glow. You have Too Faced, Born This Way, concealer. One bunch of shades. I just put this, a bunch of other shades. Tinted moisturizer by GMS. I think this one is about $100. And if you're not into any of those, then just let me wash my face. The product over here to have a cleanser to wash your face. That's its pure purifying cleanser. But thanks, so here it is. This is what you have. I'm gonna see you. Okay, so this is El Glam Glow. Okay, if you have to moisturize your face, if you have to conceal something, conceal a pen or anything like that, this is it. Okay, Born This Way foundation, you get to choose your own shade over there. Then the bang over here, QMS, and then down to the brand. This is line 1 where you can choose from. I will reveal one more thing about July. Both starts with J, okay, so it's confusing for the pages. As that will have some other new brands which I will reveal during the month. Those are going to be other lines, so stay tuned. The next sneak peek will be premium.
Hey Charmers, as you saw on our Instagram, our first premium sneak peek for the month of July is the Morphe X Money MUA Glam Palette. This is a really beautiful palette that allows you to do very wearable looks, and because of that, I decided to do a quick everyday look to show you guys something that I would quickly do before going out of the house with highlighter, like hello. This is done, and I'm gonna add a little bit up here. You'll see the difference.